Hello friends. Hello friends. Today we are going to learn how to create your account at code.org. Okay. This is a website. This is an online platform where you can learn coding. Okay. So we will start from here. Let's open it again. We'll open our Google Chrome. We will open our Google Chrome or any explorer that you might be using. Okay. And here we will be writing as code.org. Fine. When you click in sign in, it will ask you either you have any account already, you can log in from that, or you can create your own account, or you can simply continue with your Google also, right? So suppose I'm creating my own account. Here you need to provide your email ID. Okay. You need to provide the password. Again, it's confirming your password, and then you can sign up. Account type, if you want to be a teacher over here, okay, you can select teacher. If you want to be a student, you can select student. I want to create my account as a student because I want to learn coding, so I'm creating my account as student. And display name, whatever name you want to create. Age, you can select your age. But in code.org they have some restriction in few labs, like they have 5 6 labs: app lab, game lab, sprite lab. So it's always better to select 21 plus. And gender, you can give your gender. So the account is created. Now see, it's showing my name here on the right side. Fine. So they are having these sprites, these. So App Lab is having these labs: Sprite Lab, Artist, App Lab, Game Lab, Dance Party. And in every lab, there are so many things, so many different code blocks that you can create, that you can learn. Okay. And if you click on View Project, so right now it's my new account, so there is no project. Okay. And if you want to see the full list of projects, you can see here: Play Lab, Infinity, The Amazing World of Gumball. There are so many, they are having many of them. Okay. And for kids, they're having these frozen characters: Star Wars, Ice Age, and Star Wars blocks. So anything according to your interest, you can go, like depending on your requirement. You want to create some calculator, you have some interest in calculations, you want to create some app related to calculation, you can go here. If you have some interest in drawing, you can go to artist, frozen. You want to create some game, then you can do from here. Okay. These play lab are for your stories. Sprite lab, where you can create your characters. Okay. So this is the way that you can go. So suppose today, so this is the way you can create your account. So we have created our account today. Okay. And from in our next video, we will be doing some exciting projects. So stay tuned.